Hey, how y'all doing today? Yeah, I was just looking at my, just jotting some things down. Yeah, I know y'all wanna know, and it's not really, I don't know how to put it, but I know some people out there is struggling, trying to figure out a way, and sometimes the way is just to do what you're already doing, just find a way to monetize on it. I mean, personally myself, I used to cook food and give it away. Like, really, give it away. And when somebody told me, man, why don't you go and use what you're already doing and put a price tag on it? And I was like, man, nah, I ain't gonna do that. You know, I like feeding people and everything. I ain't gonna put a price tag on that. Then, like, wait, I'm spending a lot of money. But I was working in the plant at the time, so I wasn't really worrying about the money. I'm like, hey, that's what we do. We get money, we feed people. Okay. But let me see, I'm thinking, how did this come about? I think one of my people was doing a festival, and they're taking a break for whatever reason, I don't know. So they asked me, did I want to do it? Whatever, yeah. I'm like, I don't know, I don't think I really wanted to mess with it at the time. So I'm like, okay, I'll do it. When I went out there, at first I used their menu actually, and then I went and I got everything I needed. Went out there, and I'm like, people really lining up. They don't know me from Adam, from me. They line up to buy the food, and I'm not really paying attention that it's really is. I mean, really accumulating. So I'm like, okay, I'll get a few more people here to help out, you know. So, well, I want to say the second day maybe. It was longer. The second day was longer. The first day was 6 hours. The second day was maybe 10. I want to say 10 hours maybe. We talking about at the festival, yes. Uh, and I'm like, yeah, okay. It was we at a steady pace. So I see, look over at somebody. We see the people have like a rush. Okay. Now, when you're looking at it, I prefer slow and steady. But like, people coming throughout the day. And that's kind of what happened. Friday we had a rush. We made some money. But on that Saturday, it was like we didn't have a long line on a Saturday. But we had people coming back and forth. So like it was like a piece. But we always had somebody coming. And that went on from the time we opened up until we closed that night. We had people coming. Even after it was time to close, we still had people coming. And the next day pretty much the same. And I don't count at the end of the night. You don't count till the last day. And that's counted there. Mind you, we selling for $6. $6. Listen, you hear me? $6. At the end of the weekend, we cleared. When I say cleared, I mean after the expenses, the booth fee, which was $400. After you pay the workers, the what you call this? You know your expenses, you buy your food, your plates and everything. After we subtract all that, we cleared over 3,000. We cleared. And the first thing you do, you get your special event permit. Okay? Go and get your special event permit so you can sell at special events. That's like your fair. That's gonna be your festivals. And everybody got something they can sell. I'm saying that's what I did, but I don't want to put that, because some people not gonna be going to the festival. You might have purses, you might have clothing, earrings, jewelry, anything, because it's not all just food booths. They also have where you can sell other things. Some people sell collectibles. There's always something to sell, but it's just consistency. Try to keep it flowing, Make sure your price is reasonable. Smile at the people. Talk with them. If you have a problem, address it like right away. Don't wait. Don't let it linger. And make sure you pay your taxes. That's all I have to say. But all in all, you got over 400 festivals in my state. I'm in Louisiana. You got over 400 festivals. So if you do 100 festivals, and you get, maybe, well, I won't say about average. You might not make 3,000 every time. You might make more sometimes. But if you average 2,000 and you only do 100 festivals, you do the math. If you do say 200, that's half of the festivals in the state. 200 times, let's see, 200 times, let's say 2,000 if you don't, just for average. 0, that's 5, 2, 4. You do the math. I did the math. You do the math for yourself. You figure out if you make $2,000. If you make $2,000 200 times, you do the math on that. And that's without having a job. But you will be working. But it's a weekend thing. Make sure you putting in the work. You finding the places you need to go. Some of the festivals require you to have an insurance coverage, and you can go. I think it's called Stone. I gotta look at that. Let's see. Give me 1 second. I don't have it with me. And look, most places, this is what I want to say this to. Most places, you do not need a LLC to sell at a fair or festival. At most places, you can use your name, your government name, but you do have to file tax. When you're using your government name, you can file tax on that. You don't always have to have an LLC. But when you do have an LLC, take advantage of it. Get your business bank account. Get your what you call it? Amazon. Don't use that personal Amazon when you're buying paper products or like office supply, things like that. Cleaning products. Use your business account for that, because you're gonna get discounts. So don't forget about that. Don't forget about all the perks of being in business. When you file taxes at the beginning of the year, or even with your personal taxes, you're gonna file your business and you're gonna get the business perks. So that's good too. But you don't need an LLC to begin. You just need a will and something to do. Everybody got something they can do. Everybody doing something already that they probably don't even realize they can get paid for. So just go ahead and look at what you're doing, analyze your life, do inventory and see, like, what am I doing that I can pick up a little money for, and it'll help out. So that's all I want to say. But I'm gonna put everything down. I'm gonna write everything down and do like a flashcard session where I can put it up where you read it with the website and everything. I just wanted to come and just let y'all know. Put in the questions down that y'all want me to answer. If I can answer it in the comment, I'll answer it in the comment. If not, it may be something. If it's real important, I'll put it on the flashcard because I'm making flashcards right now. I'll put those up later. I'm trying to help everybody, you know, get a little extra, or maybe it may be a full thing for you if you find something that you're good at. All right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, because I'm gonna have some good content coming for y'all. Thank you.